In a small, quiet village lived a girl named Mary. Her garden was filled not with flowers but with silence. Since her mother passed away, she hadn't spoken much, only tending the soil day after day, as if waiting for something to grow inside her heart again. One day, while cleaning the attic, Mary found a box full of broken watches, her mother's old collection. Some were stopped at midnight, others had no ticking sound left. She started at them and whispered, "If I can't fix time, maybe I can grow it." That night, under a silver moon, Mary went to her garden. She dug little holes and gently buried the broken watches one by one. And when she finished, she whispered, "Grow, please, so I can move forward." Days passed. Then one morning, something incredible happened. Tiny sprouts emerged, not green, not golden, like sunlight frozen in petals. Each flower had a small clock face in its center, ticking softly, alive. When Mary touched one of the flowers, she heard her mother's voice, soft and warm. "Time does not heal by erasing the past, my dear. It's sick. It heals when you learn to bloom with it." Tears rolled down her cheeks, not of sorrow, but of release. From that day, her garden came alive. Each flower represented a memory, some sad, some joyful, all beautiful. And when people passed by, they said they could feel time slowing down, just for a moment, reminding them to breathe and live. Mary no longer counted seconds or days. She learned that time isn't meant to be measured, it's meant to be lived. And as her garden glowed under the stars, the clocks ticked not to the past, but to the rhythm of her heart. Moral of the story is, time doesn't wait, but when you choose to grow from what's broken, you realize the present was always blooming inside you. Here 10 difficult words with their meanings to learn and improve English. Serenity, a state of being calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Reverence, deep respect or admiration for someone or something. Ephemeral, lasting for a very short time, fleeting or temporary. Resonance, the power to evoke strong emotions or memories. Transcend, to rise above or go beyond the limits of something. Solace, comfort or consolation in a time of distress or sadness. Metamorphosis, a complete change in form, nature, or character. Ethereal, extremely delicate, light, or otherworldly in beauty. Catharsis, the emotional release or relief after expressing strong feelings. Redemption, the act of being saved from error or finding peace after guilt or loss. For more such stories, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.